Imagine you use a setting spray and you expect that your makeup is going to last all day and it's not going to fly, it's just going to stick on your face and it's not going to be sticking on people's clothes. Now this Selit spray is a finishing spray and this Kiss Me spray is a setting spray, and I'm going to be testing this while I give you small gist about the difference between setting spray and the finishing spray. So now I've applied foundation on my arm and I'm going with the setting spray. What the setting spray does is to just make the makeup melt into your skin. It can give you a little bit of finishing look. It can make the makeup stick to your face, and it may not, like you have seen on this video, it's still sticking but it is moving. Like your makeup will move if you use just setting spray. Now on the market things can be a little bit different because some people like to write finishing spray on their products when actually like setting spray, and when you use it your makeup is still gonna move. Like your makeup is still going to stain clothes, it's still gonna, when you sweat, it's still gonna move. But if you use a finishing spray like Selit that I'm going to be using now, it is going to stick. Like it's literally like a glue. It's literally like a glue. It's going to stick to your face. It's not going to move. Like let's watch this video and see how this actually works. It's like, you know, like ear spray, right? And you're just like gluing all the makeup on your face. So that's the major difference between finishing spray and setting spray. Selit is a finishing spray, while that Kiss spray, that brand, that exact bottle that I showed you is a setting spray. Now Kiss spray may actually have like a finishing spray, I don't know, but this is what I know, that that Kiss spray that I showed you is a setting spray and that Selit is a finishing spray. Now this Selit spray can take like a long time to dry, so whenever you use it you want to make your face stay in one place while you dry it up. Like it was like one eternity later before this eventually dried up, and I was trying to see, okay, does it actually work? Is my makeup gonna move? Is this foundation moving? And as you can see in this video, the makeup is not going anywhere. Like it's not shifting, it's not even coming off on my hand. Now I'm going to be using a cloth to also dab on it just to see what's gonna look like, or is it going to come off or not. Now another thing that you should know is that my hands feel like a little there's this wrinkle that comes with it, likely because it's glue, and you know my hand did not stay in one place. So that's something you want to avoid. Anytime you put it on your face, you want to just make your face stay in one place. You are not trying to smile or anything or trying to talk, so that you know everything will not just, your makeup will not become, you know, will not become scatter, and everything that you have been doing since morning will just go like that. So now you know the difference between a setting spray and a finishing spray. If you enjoyed this video and you got value from it, kindly like, subscribe and comment. Also you can buy me a coffee so I can do more product review. The link is in the description. I will see you in my next one.